girl, welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I'm always in the car starting off my vlogs, but I gotta drop off a package to ship off. I gotta ship a package off real quick, and then I want to get the Huda foundation that everybody, so there's, I can't talk, I just need to take these out my mouth, but there's a trend going around. It's called the Foundation Twin Guide. And I swear, every video that I've seen, the girlies have been showing the Huda foundation, the Huda Blur foundation. I think that's what it's called. I think that's what it's called, but I want to go get it because every single time I see somebody swatch it on their skin, it looks so pretty. And ooh, I just need it. I need it. So we're going to go run by Sephora to see if they have my shade in there. And we probably just, like, we might even just walk around Sephora and see what else is in there. I haven't really been, well, I take that back because I was in there the other day to get a cleanser. I had to get another cleanser for my breakouts. I got the Skin Fix BHA cleanser because I've been breaking out, girl. So I just needed something to clear up the breakouts and all the things. But I think I want to go in there and just walk around and see what else I stumble across, because I definitely want to get the Huda foundation, and I also want to get one more. I want to get the Dior foundation. That has been on my list for over a year, over 2 years. So I think I'm going to get that too. We might get 2 foundations today, which isn't bad because y'all know I don't really have the makeup collection that I used to. So I don't feel bad about it. Like, I really don't feel bad about it. But yeah, ever since I've been like watching all the makeup twin guide videos, I have discovered some foundations that I feel like I need in my collection, and I think we're going to go ahead and get them. So yeah, come with me to drop off this package, and then we're going to go to Sephora and just get into whatever else we get into while we're out and about. I'm not trying to be out too long, maybe about an hour or two, get back home, and I want to fix that pasta today. I keep telling myself that I'm going to show y'all the pasta that I've been making. I'm going to make it today. I'm going to make it today. And I'm going to show y'all how I make it. Because I know last time I showed y'all, I didn't really show y'all the process. But I'm going to show y'all the process today, okay? So yeah. And that's all I have to do today. I do have to edit. I have to edit some videos and get them sent over. But other than that, we are just going to hang out today. And yeah, it's just going to be a cute little girl's day. So let's go. You know what I forgot to get? A shipping label. I forgot to print a shipping label out. So I'm going to have to manually write down, dang it. I hate writing because I have the worst handwriting. That's okay. I gotta go in there and write down the address. And I have a whole freaking shipping label maker or shipping label printer at home, and I forgot to freaking make the label. It's fine. It wasn't even a line in there, so that was good. Happy about that. But let's head to Sephora and see if we can find the Huda foundation. Just my luck, my Sephora won't have my shade in there. And I have to look up to see what, what shade I am. I have to go back to one of those videos and see. But just my luck, they ain't gonna have my shade in there. Y'all like my new little bag charm? This isn't new, but this one is. This little, the bobby pin. And it has these little beads, like this one right here. Y'all see it? Isn't that cute? I got it from TJ Maxx. Piper and K. Right now, I'm loving Piper and K and House of Harlow jewelry. Speaking of House of Harlow, I got my little House of Harlow bracelet on today with all my other little bracelets that I wear literally every day whenever I'm leaving the house. I'm gonna go ahead and send this tracking before I forget, because I know I will forget. So I'm gonna go ahead and okay. So I'm 6 in the Dior foundation. Well, I think I am, but we're gonna go ahead and get this one. Now let's see if we can find Huda. And I think Huda is over here. So. Oh, they moved it over here. Huda. And I should be shade Mocha in this one. At least from the videos that I watched, some of the girlies said they wear Mocha. Yeah. Let's see. Mocha 500. A powder on either, so I'll see if it's sticky. I kind of want to try it on my hand. Okay. I can tell this is gonna work. I can tell. So. Okay, so I also see a lot of people talking about the Milk Makeup Grip, Hydra Grip 12-Hour Gel Tint. We only came in here for 2 foundations, but this one looks like it's up my alley. Like this one, because it's a skin tint. I don't know. Should we get it? Buildable light coverage, natural dewy finish. That is up my alley. Yeah, so 12 at the top, and then 11, which I think would be my shade, is right there at the bottom. So I'm thinking 11, and they have it. As much as I love matcha, this stinks. The new Laneige Matcha Lip Balm, Matcha Bubble Tea. This is definitely something I would not put on my lips. I mean, it doesn't smell that bad, but it's something I definitely would not want to wear on my lips. But I wasn't a fan. This one smells okay, but I'm not really a fan of the new ones. I like the originals. The new ones, not so much. They're cute, aesthetically pleasing, but not so much. I need some more of these. Okay, we are about to cook. I'm gonna show y'all what I put in the pasta. I don't even know what to actually call this pasta because I feel like it's kind of different from Megan's pasta, but these are the noodles, linguine, love, love, love. Last time I ran out of the tomato paste and I just put this in it and it literally tastes the same. This is pizza sauce from Rouse. I probably said that name so wrong, but it's the homemade pizza sauce and it literally tastes the same. I'm gonna put some mushrooms in there, y'all. When I tell you I love mushrooms. Some baby spinach, tomatoes. I'm just gonna chop these in half. For the seasonings, I put salt, pepper. Oh, I gotta get some more of this. Everything bagel seasoning. Y'all, I put this on everything, literally everything. It's from Trader Joe's, but I ordered it off Amazon. I put parsley in there and some Italian seasoning. Okay, y'all know I don't like cheese, but sprinkling a little bit of this in the pasta just takes it to a whole nother level. This is Parmesan. I can tolerate Parmesan, okay? And then I put a little bit of some heavy cream in there, and it's so good. And it's literally in one pot. Like I put everything all in one and let it cook for like 15 minutes and it's done. Let me show you. I almost forgot garlic and olive oil. I like to put the olive oil in first, and I don't measure stuff, y'all know this. And then I just take a good little scoop of the garlic. I'm gonna do a little bit more, just a little bit. Stir this around just a little bit. I'm gonna give it a good stir, and then we're gonna go ahead and grab the seasonings. And again, I feel like I have to keep saying this, but I don't measure anything. I just like to guesstimate. When I was little, my mom never measured anything. My dad never measured anything. That's how you know I'm a good cook. So that was the salt, pepper. And once the sauce is done, I kind of taste it. And if I need to put more seasoning in it, I will. If I don't, I'm good. So salt, pepper, Italian seasoning. Now I go heavy with my Italian seasoning because I love Italian seasoning. You don't have to put this much, but I love it. So then we have the everything bagel seasoning. Dump a good bit of that in there. And then a little bit of parsley, not too much, just a little. This just kind of, I don't even know what this does, but I just put it in there. Okay, now you stir it around really good. Oh, this smells so good, y'all. It smells delicious. You're gonna want to go to I can't talk. You're gonna want to go ahead and get your tomato paste, but since I am out of tomato paste, I'm gonna use this sauce. And you don't need a lot, just a little bit. I'm gonna pour about that much in there. Well, a little bit more, about that much. Then you're gonna stir it around some. Get 2 cups of water. And start out with 2 cups. You can go ahead and add a little bit more as it cooks, but I like to start out with 2 cups of water. Give it a good little stir. Ooh, some of it. And then you just add your noodles. Am I crazy for washing my noodles? I be washing my noodles, y'all. You just add your noodles. I'm gonna add probably a little bit more. Okay. And you're just gonna let this cook. Oh, one more thing. Almost forgot. Gotta add the spinach. And I just put it on top. And y'all know spinach be shrinking like real bad. So you can be heavy with this. You can put as much as you want. I usually like to cover the whole top. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Simply because I put a lot of noodles in here. I usually put like 1 handful of noodles, but I wanted to make a lot today, so I'm just putting a little bit more water. And that's literally it. Just cover it with the top, let it sit. I usually let it sit for about 10, well, I check on it every now and then, so I just let it sit for about 5-10 minutes, check on it, stir it around, put the top back on it. But while that cooks, I'm gonna go do a little bit of work, and I will check back with you guys. We'll do a little taste test once it's done, and I'll show y'all how it looks. Okay, it's time to check it. Ooh. Yeah, see, the noodles are already really soft. I do want them a little softer though, so I'm also gonna put a little bit more of that sauce in here and a little bit more water. Okay, I added a little bit more sauce and a little bit more water. It only needs about maybe like 5 more minutes. And then it's pretty much done. I just need to add a tiny bit of the heavy cream. And then the last step is a little bit of the Parmesan. But this is what it looks like for the most part. It looks good, it smells good. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few more minutes. And then the next time I open it up, I'm gonna taste it to see if I need any more like seasoning. And yeah. Ooh, it's looking good. Okay, now this is pretty much done. I'm gonna taste it to make sure I don't need to put any more seasoning in here. Turn the eye off. We're gonna do a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Or maybe more than a pinch. Just a little bit. And a little bit more pepper. And I'm gonna throw in a little bit of butter, let that sit for a minute. And then the last part is the Parmesan. You can also put meat in it if you want. I like it with or without. I cooked some salmon earlier this week, so I'm gonna put some salmon in the plate with this. Okay, I warmed up my salmon. Now I'm gonna put the pasta in here. First taste test. I already know it's good. Please try this. Please, it's so good. Is it on? Okay. I'm full. That was so good. Please try that recipe. If you try it, let me know. Okay? And if I'm smacking in your ear, I'm so sorry. I just love chewing gum after I eat. But let me show you what I got at Sephora before we end the vlog. This is a very short mini day in the life vlog. But anyway, the foundations that I showed y'all. So we got the Milk Makeup Foundation. Excited to try this. I think this is going to be the first one I try out of the 3 that I got. I also got the Huda in the shade Mocha. Now that I think about it, I remember wearing Mocha, the old Huda foundation. And that's been some years, so I forgot. Okay, I forgot. Dior. I'm very excited about this one too. Oh my gosh, y'all. Because I just been like, this has been on my radar for a very long time. I just never bought it. But I'm excited about it. I also grabbed some more of the cotton pads that I showed y'all. These are bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Very affordable. And then some face cleanser. Soy face cleanser from Fresh. I just like using this when I'm taking my makeup off. And plus, I'm almost out of the Clinique cleanser that I've been using. So it was time for me to re-up on this cleanser. And now that I think about it, y'all, we have so many boxes that I need to open. And watch, I got some cleansers in the boxes. Watch, some brand done sent me a cleanser. I bet I got a cleanser in there. In one of those boxes. I bet I do. I bet. Because I remember one of the boxes saying pharmacy. No. Yeah, pharmacy. Or you to the people. One of them. But I'm betting a cleanser is in one of those boxes. And here I am buying cleanser. But anyway, girl, I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. Today's little mini girl time, girl day, whatever you want to call it. I'm about to get ready and get my workout in because I haven't done that for the day. Take the dogs out, do my night routine, and call it a night. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.